Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we have to discuss the solution of this system 2x minus 3 minus 2y is equal to 1 and minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 by Cramer's rules. First, we have to write this equation in matrix form. In matrix form, this is equal to 3. Coefficient of y is minus 2. Coefficient of x in second equation is minus 2. And coefficient of y in the second equation is 3. And 2. Variable matrix xy is equal to 1, 2. Now this matrix is A. The variable matrix is considered capital X and the constant matrix is B. Here matrix A is equal to 3 minus 2 minus 2 3 and AX is a matrix 1 2 means first column will be B matrix and second column will be the coefficient of X, the coefficient of Y minus 2 and 3 and matrix AY first column will be the coefficient of X 3 minus 2 and second column will be matrix B 1 2. Now first we have to find the determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to 3 minus 3 means product of diagonal element 9 and product of non-diagonal element minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 will be 4. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. 5 not equal to 0. So A is non-singular. So A is non-singular. Now X is equal to determinant of AX divided by determinant of A. But we know that A determinant AX is equal to 1 minus 2, 2, 3. So determinant of AX is 1 multiplied by 3, 3 and product of non-diagonal element will be 4. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So the value of X therefore is equal to 7 by 5 because determinant of A is equal to 5. Now Y is equal to determinant of AY divided by A determinant 2. But AY is equal to 3 1 minus 2 2. So determinant of AY is 3 multiplied by 2 6 and product of minus 2 1 is equal to 2. So 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 divided by 5. This means that X is equal to 7 by 5 and value of Y is equal to 8 divided by 5. This is the solution of the required system 3x minus 2y is equal to 1 and minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 by Cramer rule. So thank you.